Hello, this is Manesh Patel with blackbar.com. Today is May 12th. A little late in posting because I was out on a vacation this weekend. But anyways, let's go through the list. Good quality trades here we have. We had a little medium type of list going into the week, but we basically ended up with 13 winners, 5 break even. This is pretty good. The list of successful ones are good quality ones that are succeeding to proceed forward with a lot of volatility in this market. So let's go forward with all of these here. So there's ROP here. Amgen was successful. You have Humana, this was bearish. You have CB, Clorox. So those were successful. Remember, don't look at the current bar because it's a live market right now. These are break even here. Break even, break even, and break even. So if you look at the shaded opportunities, which are trending, you pretty much had 5 of the 13 winners there, and then 4 of the break even there. If you go into non-shaded opportunities, pretty much the things that are consolidating, that potential to break out. This is one we're looking at here. You had RIG, NEE, EED, UNG. This is the interesting one here. AES, STARS, JBHT, DX, the dollar. So this was the interesting one here. You had the dollar futures in here. So last week was a huge opportunity for the dollar side. So if you're in currencies, it showed you potential where now things could reverse, where the dollar now could go bullish and the bearish run could end. And you could see this week it's already falling through with the huge movement up over this weekend. So you had signs before the movements really happened last week. So this was a great trade that's continuing to go up and giving us really, really good returns. PVH is break even. This is break even, and so forth. So the summary overall here is right here. We had basically 13 winners, 5 break even for this week. So out of the whole market, even with all the volatility that you have with the Trump administration and everything, you're still getting some really good quality trades, and that's what really matters. You really don't want a huge number, but you want a few quality ones, and the silent ones are the best ones. And the dollar one was the best one so far. You could see from last week, from this week, reason why it indicates the possibility of the dollar now starting to become strong, and you could see that maybe on all the currencies going forward. If you have any questions, please ask. Also, please like and share these videos too.